You also find your major deposit address on KuCoin account. For those of you that are using KuCoin Exchange, now let's get started. What you need to do is open your KuCoin. Now let me go and find it. You go and search for KuCoin. Click on your KuCoin. Now this is what you're going to do is you need to come to your asset here. Once you click on your asset, click on deposit crypto. Once you click on deposit crypto, then you're going to find your crypto here, and now you're going to find your major, and it's going to bring out your major. Sorry, you're going to bring out your major. You can say this is it. Click on major. Once you click on major, you say you have to complete your verification. We have to verify our account to be able to complete verification. Okay, now let's start. Let's wait, and this is it. So now you need to verify for us to be able to be able to copy the wallet exchange. So once verified, you'll be able to get it. So you need to verify it. So once you verify it, you'll be able to copy your major address here. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.